Hello everyone, welcome to Senior Modern Academy Inside the Lab series. We are Science 1 students and today we'll be demonstrating how to prepare disinfectant spray and wipes. This experiment is important for maintaining hygiene and preventing the spread of germs.
The aim of this experiment is to prepare disinfectant spray and wipes using the following materials: tablespoon, spatula, measuring cylinder, lavender essential oil, glycerin, ethanol, water, beaker, spray bottles, and wipes.
To prepare a disinfectant spray, we begin by adding 50 milliliters of water into the beaker. We then measure 100 milliliters of ethanol and then pour it into the beaker. We then proceed to add our 4 tablespoons of glycerin. We then stir for about 3 minutes to mix evenly. We then add our lavender oil, 1.5 tablespoons of lavender oil. We mix again. Then we proceed to add our mixture. First of all, this is the outcome of our mixture. We proceed to add our mixture into the spray bottles for storing. To prepare our disinfectant wipes, we'll add a little amount of disinfectant into the wrapper. We begin by soaking the wipes into the disinfectant. And we seal it. So finally, this is our disinfectant wipes and this is our disinfectant spray. Thank you for watching Senior Modern Academy Inside the Lab series. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more educational videos. Bye-bye.